We're here now at the New Way Farmers, Galaxy Farm Away.
Eric, go at your service.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today, Thursday Farm Day. Let's get it on.
Woo! Magtanim ay di biro, maghapong nagbubungkal. Hi guys! I'm here at the New Way Farmers Galaxy Farm Away.
Yeah.
And I'm with the man, Paulo.
I'm here joining Eric Go, the man, the myth, the legend, here at the New Way Farmers, Galaxy Farm Away. Anyway, now if you can see Mr. Eric Go, the man, the myth, the legend, he's plowing the land for us to make corn paddies. Yee, corn. So in a few months, 4 months, we'll be harvesting corn right here. So this is our first bed, laid to rest the corn, and we'll be moving backwards. Plot number 2, plot number 3, plot number 4.
And hulaan ko, plot number 5.
Tama. Nice one, Eric Go.
Yeah.
And we have a friend also helping us.
Nice. So we're going for the lunch break. We'll be back after eating our meal. Say hello to wait lang.
Hi!
Wait lang. Say hello to the morning session. Yo.
Kalai, where are you?
Thank you. We're here at the New Way Farmers Galaxy Farm Away.
Farm.
So Noriko, how did you like farming today?
Yeah, it was great. So I had a great sweat. So actually so we have Japanese phrase that like we had a good sweat. Yes, so that means we worked hard.
What is it? Say it in Japanese.
Iyasekaita.
Iyasekaita.
Yes.
Mr. Eric Go, how did you like farming today?
What?
How did you like farming today?
Yeah, it was good. It was fun. Yeah. I had a nice day. I'll come back soon.
Konnichiwa.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Yan, one fillet yan. One fillet. Ano kayo pa na? Baka malaki yung fish.
Having lunch at GInhawa Art Cafe.
Eric goes.
Hoy, nag-ano ka na rin.
Eric, say mo Eric goes to GInhawa Cafe.
Eric goes to GInhawa Cafe. Nice.
That's Eric Go's tagline. Nice.